Okay, I'm going to demonstrate the dogs understand. I've known this dog forever, and it understands. Foxy, come here. Good girl, good girl, good girl. Okay, come here. Okay, you're such a good girl. Such a good girl. Okay, back to your cage. Back to your cage.
It always looks like the Green Mile.
I did not have to abuse this dog. Foxy, come here.
You good?
Now this is the key. I like dogs. I like cats. I like animals. I don't like animals putting their nose on me or wiping their butts on me, sitting with their butts on me, farting all today. I don't have to smell. I don't want to. She understands. I give her love when she wants it. This is the key right here. Foxy, right here. I acknowledge you. Back to your cage.
Never made a man of your only son in the mind of a monster.